Getting your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube right now is no more luck, it is strategy. I know you clicked on this video because you want to get your 1,000 subscribers. Maybe you have 100 already, 500 already. You want to meet up to 1,000 subscribers so you can actually get monetized on YouTube. In this particular video, I'm going to simply show you your YouTube compliance strategies and procedures on how you can actually get more subscribers to your YouTube channel and 100% organic. So I'm going to be giving you 5 simple updates on YouTube right now that can actually give you more subscribers on YouTube. And this is 100% YouTube compliance. The last one on this particular list is going to simply help you boost your YouTube channel. And remember, all of these strategies doesn't require you to pay money. Everything is 100% free and organic. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video right away. Before we get into the list, there are things you need to put in place first. First of all, you need to make sure that your niche is already in place for you. Remember, if you start a YouTube channel, you must have picked a niche for yourself. The type of videos you make, the type of audience you want on your YouTube channel. Okay, make sure you go to your channel. For instance, add channel tags on your YouTube channel. Okay, the keywords under your niche. Okay, for you to add your keyword tags on your channel, you just need to head over to your channel right here on your mobile phone from the YouTube studio. Okay, so I prefer you go to the YouTube studio from your browser. Okay, then you click on this settings button, which is the down part of your YouTube studio. All right, so when you click on that, click on this channel section. You have to add your keywords that you're targeting. Once you add all of these keywords, the next you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the save button and save them. It will help YouTube algorithm to reach out to people that are interested in your content. Okay, for instance, if AI is part of your keyword right here and you create AI videos, it will help YouTube algorithm to know the type of audience it will recommend your videos to. All right, and this particular strategy right now, it is not you that is going to simply do it. Your own work is to focus on the keywords. You add your keywords right there and YouTube algorithm pushes your video out there. All right, once you're done adding your keyword tags, the next thing you need to do is to simply focus on the works that you can actually do for yourself. Number one strategy to increase your YouTube subscribers is to utilize YouTube keyword tools. All right, there are lots of YouTube keywords tools out there, but this particular one right here is the one I recommend you go for. Okay, and this particular tool right here, which is vidIQ. So this tool right here, which is keywords2.io, is a tool that can actually help you both on your blogging, your YouTube, your Amazon, your social media, and lots more. But I normally use this particular tool for YouTube and also for blogging. How? This tool is going to simply help you discover new keywords under your niche. It is going to simply help you get the RPM, that is the CPM of that keyword, to know if these keywords are going to simply benefit you. That's in terms of giving you more RPM, and also you can simply use it for your blog if you want to get high CPC for your advertisement. How does it work? For instance, if these are the keyword tags you added, you just need to copy monetization and you come back here and add monetization here. All right, remember we selected Google and not YouTube. Okay, the reason why we selected Google is because this Google tool right now is the one that's going to simply give you the RPM, the CPM of that keyword. Okay, and also it's going to simply give you more keywords. All right, just make it global. All right, then click on select English as your language, hit on the search button. Let's allow it to load. You can see right here, this is the CPM. You can see these are the keywords that are popping up right here, which are the things people are searching for. If your channel niche requires you to make videos about YouTube monetization checker, you can just make a video like top 10 YouTube monetization checkers. All right, so for you to make this video, you have to make sure you determine the number of people that are searching for it and also how relevant it is in your own niche. Okay, for instance, you can see right here, since we're using the free tool of this platform, they're not giving us the actual search volume, the trend, and the competition. All right, so I'm going to simply use the mobile version of it because most of you are using mobile phone right now to watch me and use mobile phone to run your YouTube channel. Okay, so for you to download vidIQ, remember this particular one right here, which is keyword.io, is a web browser. Like, you have to simply search for the tool on your browser. Okay, for the vidIQ, just go to your Play Store and you search for vidIQ. This is the tool right here. For instance, if you start by searching monetization, and you're going to see what people are searching for on YouTube about monetization. But if you search for monetization YouTube checker, for instance, the one they brought here, search for the search volume and also the competition. Okay, to be able to know if this is a good keyword to make video about. Okay, it has a good search score. All right, remember, the more the search volume, the better tendency for you to get more views. Okay, you just have to make sure you go for the ones with higher search volume and lower competition. So if you go back to this section, click on this overall score, and it's going to simply take you to this section where you can see competition and search volume. Let's focus on search volume for now. Just click on search volume. The search volume is 2,592, which is also a good one. Let's check the competition. you can see the competition is very low. You can see we've already gotten one video that you can actually make under this particular niche based on the tag that we added on our YouTube page. So you can search for any keyword. The only thing doesn't open is the search volume and a lot of that, but you can use this keyword too, which is vidIQ, to know about those things. Okay, you can see we have better RPM right here, we have search volume here, and you can actually use this particular strategy to make your content and also to target the right audience for your own niche. These are the first tools which are going to simply help you: keyword.io and also vidIQ. All right, the number 2 strategy is to simply host your YouTube channel to your blog website. Okay, most of you that are watching this video right now have your blog, you have your website that is getting traffic from Google, from Bing, from Yandex, and also from social media platforms. Right, if you can actually use this particular strategy, this is also going to simply help you get few subscribers every single day, and by the time you know it, you're going to simply reach up to 1,000 subscribers organically. You're going to see right here, minjohnfrancis.com/videos, and we have this particular new video. They all pop up automatically by themselves. Okay, so for instance, if you go to my channel right here, you're going to see this new video which I made about Facebook ad tutorials. It popped up right here. Okay, and you can see this keyword will also be ranking on Google. All right, and you're going to see other videos I made previously with their titles and thumbnails. Okay, you also see the subscribe button right here which says subscribe to my channel. Okay, so how do you do this? If you have a blog already, or if you have a website, or if you're a business who owns a website and also a YouTube channel, go to your dashboard from this very section. Make sure you install this particular plugin, which is Embed Plus for YouTube. All right, just go to your plugin right here, click on add new plugin. This is a plugin, and all of these stores are all ranking on Google. You can see most of these blogs right here have my YouTube videos on them. Okay, even the one I published on November 6th is already ranking. The same thing on Bing. If you go to Bing and still search for the same thing, you're going to simply see them. All right, and this is actually going to simply help you get organic subscribers to your YouTube. All right, if you want me to show you how to set this particular plugin up, you can simply notify me on the comment section. Then I'm going to simply make a future video on how to set this up on your website. Okay, that's the second strategy to get more subscribers, up to 1,000 subscribers, leading you to monetization. All right, the third strategy you can actually use to get more subscribers to your YouTube channel is to research your competitors. All right, so for instance, if you head over to YouTube right here, if you search for monetization, you're going to simply see other people on that same niche. Okay, for you to be able to get more subscribers and also get more visibility to your own channel from your competitors, you need to search for that keyword that relates to your channel. Right, go to your filter right here, click on the filter button and select the ones for the week, for this particular week. Okay, select this week, and this is going to simply refresh to this week. Okay, you're going to see a lot of people that are making videos and the number of subscribers they have. Okay, if you have 100, 500, you're looking up to 1,000 subscribers, you need to look out for those people that have lower subscribers, from 5,000 subscribers downward. Okay, so that you can actually know the people that are getting subscribers on your own type of topic. Okay, you're gonna see right here, this particular lady right here has 3.3. What no one tells you about getting monetized, and people like to get this particular video because it sparks curiosity. You can use this type of title for your own videos. All right, like if our own video is 10 minutes and you're going to simply make your own more 15 minutes, like you go into details. Okay, people are going to simply subscribe to your own channel as well. Okay, and if you scroll down, you're going to see more people with lesser subscribers getting more tractions in your own niche. While you are making your videos, you are giving value, people are going to simply be subscribing to you. With this strategy, you're going to find out what is trending in your niche. The fourth one is to identify what actually brings people or make people to subscribe to your channel from your previous videos. All right, you have to simply go back to your YouTube channel analytics, go to your YouTube studio and search for the videos that are getting more subscribers. So go to your analytics from your YouTube studio. It could be from your browser or use the YouTube studio application. All right, you're going to simply filter to subscribers. Okay, you're going to simply find out the videos that are getting more subscribers, focus on the ones that are getting more subscribers and views. Okay, and you can make future videos about that, more detailed video, to be able to attract more subscribers to your YouTube channel. Okay, so this strategy works so well. So the next strategy, which is the number 5, is to use the YouTube collaboration strategy to get more subscribers to your YouTube channel. For instance, go to your YouTube, you can actually go ahead and click on any of your video, edit, we have location, we have playlist, we have invite collaborator. Okay, so this section that says invite collaborator, you can actually go ahead and invite someone, can actually go ahead and invite you, okay? Or you can invite a bigger creator. When you publish a video, the audience of that particular creator can actually see your content as well, okay? So how does it work? You can actually go ahead and reach out to creators that are bigger than you, people that have more than 1,000 subscribers, then chat them up, beg them if you can pay them money anyhow. So once they agree to work with you or collaborate with you, you can as well go ahead and use this particular strategy, then type their channel URL or name, and you can simply go ahead and partner with them, okay? The best part about this particular strategy is this: you are still in control of your videos, and also this is going to simply help you expand your reach, get more viewers, get more recommendations to your YouTube, and a lot more. And also you own full ownership of your content. That's basically how this thing works, okay? So with these particular 5 strategies, you are able to build up a YouTube channel and get more than 1,000 subscribers consistently if you can publish videos consistently. All right, so if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.